Hi Leiman, this is Lee from Otters SEO. This is the free custom video that we promised you, showing you some tips and tricks of how you can improve your online presence to attract more customers and book more jobs. I'm on your website right now and I'm going through, and the first thing I'd like to cover is around your website content. Google recommends that you have at least 1,500 words of content. I see you sitting around probably about 200-300 words. And the reason why Google wants so much content is because they are trying to find and index your website to extract the right keywords, and in order to do so they need a large amount of content. So if you have at least 1,500 words of content, then you of course make their job much easier. Looking at your main competitor that we have over here on Google, in Amsterdam of course, you'll see that they've got quite a nice call to action on their homepage right now, a nice video playing in the background. So you're getting people's attention and also making sure that they'll quickly want to contact you in the first thing that they see. So contact form and contact number right here in eyesight. Looking through their content, you'll see that they have, probably 1,000 to 1,200 words of content. So they're doing pretty well on their homepage. So if you can match them or do a bit more content than them, then you can beat them quite easily. Next thing I want to go through is around the Google search results. The first thing that you normally see is the Google ads, and this is quite nice because it's got prime real estate and drives quite a lot of quick traffic to your website. But to get up here, you have to normally pay for these ads. So every time someone clicks on one of these links, then you pay Google a small amount in a fee. The second part I would like to cover is the Google map listing. This is a great tool because also a nice location, easy to find, and shows you all the relevant companies in the area for what you searched. And actually, funny enough, that about 30 to 40% of people would actually click on one of these three links. It's also nice and easy for a customer to see a contact number and the website, so very easy to get in touch. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, you want to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your company name, your contact number, and your physical address. If you can get those listed at a bunch of directories, like you can think about Yellow Pages, etc., the more you have of those directories listing your company, the higher you'll be ranking in the Google map listing. The third thing I want to cover is around the organic search result. This is what Google finds the most relevant into what someone searched, and it's very important to be in the top 3 positions as well, because 29% of people will actually click on the first link that they see, 15% of people on the second link, and 10% of people on the third link. It's actually only less than 9% of people that will go past the first page of Google. So you really want to be in this top 3 positions so you can get all that traffic to your website. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, I'll show you that next. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and basically what this allows us to do is to put in a website, like your website address, into here, and it spits out a bunch of numbers. Now these are the numbers that Google will use in order to help rank your website. So the first thing I want to go over is the UR. The UR is basically your trust rating. That's how much Google trusts your website. So you're sitting at a 14 right now, so we can boost that a little bit. Your DR is your strength index, and this is how strong you are in Google's eyes. And unfortunately, you're only sitting at a 0.1, so really something that we can work on there. Your backlinks and referring domains are very important. The higher the number, the better you'll be ranking in these organic search results that we saw earlier. All that a backlink is really a shout out from another website to yours. It's basically a link from theirs to yours. And like I said, you want these numbers as high as possible, but also not all backlinks are created equal. So also the higher quality of backlinks are also very important. You'll see Google is extracting about 17 organic keywords from your website, and that's, like I said, the content on your website is quite important. So the more content you have, the more the possibility of keywords being extracted from your website. And unfortunately, you're only drawing about one person every month to your website, and this is really unfortunate because it's really a number we want to see if we can get up, because you'll be able to book much more jobs by getting more people to your website. If we look at your competitor that we saw earlier, you'll see that there UR and DR are sitting at 25 and at 26, so quite nice numbers, a good 1-to-1 ratio as well. You can see they've got quite a bit more backlinks. They've got 889 backlinks from 245 domains. So the big reason why they're sitting in the #1 position of the Google organic search results. You'll see that also being reflected in their traffic. They're getting 1,500 people every month to their website from Google. So this is really the kind of traffic that you want to get to your website so you can book all those customers and grow your business. You can see they're also extracting 628 keywords, and we can quickly take a look at what's being extracted. You'll see keywords like Dakdekker Amsterdam. So this is what people are searching for every single month, and you'll see there's about 800 people searching for this keyword every single month. And because this is your top competitor, they're getting about 1/3 of this traffic every single month. And you'll see the same applies to all the different areas that they work in, like Rotterdam, Tilburg, and Utrecht. Lots of traffic actually being driven to their website for these areas. So, just in summary, see if you can increase your content of your homepage, of your website, to at least 1,500 words, targeted at the right keywords that Google can easily find and rank you. See if you can increase your number of citations so that you can be listed in the top 3 positions of the Google map listing. And then lastly, if you want to be in that organic search result in the top 3 positions, see if you can increase your number of backlinks and your referring domains, and that will push you up nice and high in the results. Like I said in the beginning, all these tips and tricks are free to use, and I hope you do use them to improve your online presence. If you have any questions or you want to contact me around how to help you execute on some of these ideas and to get this traffic to your website, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and contact me. I'll be more than willing to help. And finally, either way you go, I really hope the best for you. I would really appreciate a line of feedback to let me know if you found this useful or not. I'm trying to help out a couple of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Cheers.